I would like to thank EKSA for sending me this gaming headset to unbox and review and see how it holds up during gameplay and just in general of how compatibility and how comfortable it is. So head over to EKSA to use my discount code EKSAVIP for a 50% discount. They provide very fast shipping and they're reliable and provide 24-month warranty as well, just in case. So now let's get into the unboxing of it.
Waiting down my number twice, promise I'll pick up the line. I see you worried, don't gotta ask why. You like it, I know that you like it. You like it, yeah, you like it. I know that you like it, you like it. You said that you were down just yesterday, hoping you'll stick around and wait for me. I see you wanna come up, but don't switch up on me. Yeah, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you. You said that you were down, hoping you'll stick around, hoping you'll be around for me. You said that you were down, 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 down. Yeah, you just always let the tide to rush things. You just always let the tide to can't wait. You just always let the tide to can't wait for me. It's been a mess and I'm trying to dial back. Can you stick through it with me or not? And it might take a minute, but we'll get it. The type of love that you want, like it. I know that you like it, you like it, yeah, you like it. I know that you like it, you like it. You said that you were down just yesterday, hoping you'll stick around and wait for me. I see you wanna come up, but don't switch up on me. Yeah, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you. You said that you were down, hoping you'll stick around, hoping you'll be around for me. You said that you were down just yesterday, hoping you'll stick around and wait for me. I see you wanna come up, but don't switch up on me. Yeah, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you. You said that you were down, hoping you'll stick around, hoping you'll be around with me. You said that you were down, 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 down.
So as you can see, it comes with a nice stand, and this is quite ideal for when you're charging it or when you're finished playing, so just hang it up, makes it easy. The overall design, as you can see, is quite nice. The colours are unreal, a nice display on it. There's the turn on button on, it's quite easy to turn it on, it's grand. The earpieces are labelled, as you can see, so like to differentiate right and left, so you know which side it's supposed to go on. So the mic extends out, which is handy to just put back in so it doesn't get damaged, and you can adjust it and move it around, move it away from your mouth and closer. So it has an external volume button and mute button, which is quite handy for parties when you're in a party and you want to mute the headset quickly, so it's quite nice. So overall I'd give it a 9 out of 10. I think it's quite superior kind of headset. The surround system is ideal, and the size, there's a size adjusters as well to the side there, depending on the size of your head.
Yeah.